What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best speaker for car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we have got you covered for more information on the products. I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Kenwood Concert Series Car Speakers. A treat for audiophiles, Kenwood KFC 651 6.5 Concert Series two-way car speakers with 320W peak power, 4 ohm impedance, polypropylene woofer cones, balanced dome tweeters, and sharp-looking grills ensure high-quality music that sounds like the original. Power up your car audio. These car coaxial speakers feature a nominal power of 100 WRMS and a 75 Hz 24 kHz frequency response that deliver pristine highs, deep lows, and powerful bass without compromising sound quality or experiencing any distortion. Sophisticated sound for an incredible boost in performance and exceptional sound quality. The KFC 651 features a 4 ohm impedance, which conducts power evenly to keep the speakers at an appropriate level. They can be used as front or rear speakers. Easy to install, these car audio speakers feature a heavy-duty magnet design with lower tweeter heights and a shallow depth for easy installation and durability. The speakers have grills for protection and are a perfect addition to your car audio system. A brand you can trust with a wide range of high-performing car audio accessories, headsets, professional communication gadgets, speakers, bike cameras, and more. Kenwood is the one-stop destination for all your technological requirements. In our list, the number 4 product name is HYANKA Component Car Speakers. Exceptional audio power. Immerse yourself in a powerful audio experience with the HYANKA HCP65, boasting an impressive 800 watts of power. Whether cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, this speaker system ensures an unparalleled auditory journey for all car enthusiasts. Complete audio system upgrade. Elevate your car audio system to new heights with the comprehensive HCP65 speaker set, including 2 mid-range woofers, tweeters, and crossovers. This all-inclusive package guarantees a holistic upgrade, enhancing every aspect of your in-car audio. Tailored for audio enthusiasts, forming part of HYANKA's esteemed high-performance audio series, the HCP65 is meticulously designed for automotive audio enthusiasts seeking top-tier sound quality and cutting-edge technology. Join the ranks of those who appreciate audio excellence. Seamless frequency integration. Experience a seamless transition between mid-range and high frequencies thanks to the thoughtfully designed crossovers. This feature prevents distortion and crafts an integrated soundstage, delivering a harmonious and distortion-free audio experience. Versatile installation compatibility designed to fit standard 6.5-inch speaker openings. The HCP65 offers versatility in installation, making it compatible with a diverse range of car models. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process while customizing your audio setup. Silk dome tweeters for refined highs. Revel in the silky smooth highs produced by the silk dome tweeters. This added layer of refinement elevates the overall audio experience, ensuring that every musical note is delivered with precision and clarity. Dynamic frequency response range. Immerse yourself in a diverse sonic landscape with the HCP65's dynamic frequency response ranging from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. Whether you crave deep, resonant bass or crisp, clear highs, this speaker system effortlessly covers the entire spectrum, delivering an audio experience that captures every nuance of your favorite tunes. Warranty assurance for peace of mind. Enjoy the confidence of a 90-day refund and a 1-year warranty. The HCP65 not only delivers outstanding audio quality, but also provides assurance of its durability and reliability, promising a worry-free ownership experience for every customer. Robust build quality, built with paper cones for natural sound quality and brittle rubber surrounds for durability. The HCP65 speakers are designed to last, offering a reliable performance for years to come. In our list, the number 3 product name is DS18 Car Speaker. DS18 is a company known for making top quality audio equipment designed specifically for cars. Among their products, the 6.5 audio door speakers is highly praised by users. These speakers excel at delivering excellent stereo surround sound for your vehicle. The most important part of the speakers is its mid-range driver that makes the vocal and musical parts sound great. The driver is also responsible for producing clear audio for different spectrums of sound waves. The speakers have 500 W peak power along with 250 W RMS power, which enables them to cover a wide range of audio effectively. If you are looking for the best door speakers for bass, you can choose DS18 speaker. The 1.5-inch Captain voice coil of the speakers can withstand high temperature, and the bullet dust cover enhances the durability of the speakers. The frequency range is 125 Hz to 12 kHz, while the sensitivity stands at 94 dB. The bullet resonator in the cone enhances the sound output quality. You will also find a black stamp steel basket for the protection of the speakers after mounting. In our list, the number 2 product name is Pyle 6.5 component speakers for car audio. Vehicle speaker set. This car audio speakers component kit includes 2 6.5 inches SVC speakers, 2 aluminum tweeters, and 2 crossover networks. It also has included grills, wires, and mounting hardware for convenient installment to your vehicle. 150 watts maximum power, handling blast away loud music in your vehicle with this speaker set, as its woofer can handle up to 150 watts and the included tweeters can handle up to 120 watts maximum. A great upgrade for your vehicle's sound system. Built to last, this car audio speakers component kit will surely prove its longevity for the long run. Featuring a non-fatiguing brittle rubber surround and carefully engineered material, the speaker set can surely handle hours non-stop music. Quality audio with a 4-ohm impedance and a wide range of response. This speaker set ensures low distortion for your audio and will surely bring out a crystal clear sound for your music. It is also built with a 1.5 high temperature ASV voice coil. Vehicle compatibility with a standard size of 6.5. This speaker set is compatible to fit in original equipment manufacturer OEM locations for most vehicles. You can also mount it either surface or flush mount with its included grills and mounting hardware. In our list, the number 1 product name is Gravity Audio Component Speaker System. Enhance sound quality. Upgrade your car audio experience with a 170 watt RMS 500 watt peak power 6.5-inch component speaker set featuring a mid-bass, tweeter, and crossover components for superior sound clarity across high, mid-level, and lower bass frequencies. Durable, stylish design boasts an EMP cone with a carbon fiber finish and brittle rubber surround for added durability and a sleek look, along with a professional 2-way transparent crossover for precise sound filtering. High performance, equipped with an aluminum voice coil and a 93 dB sensitivity for powerful and efficient sound output, ensuring you get the most out of your music without needing to max out the volume. Versatile installation comes with a one balanced dome tweeter that can be surface or flush mounted with the included hardware, offering flexibility and setup to suit any car interior. Comprehensive frequency range. Enjoy a broad frequency response from 70-20,000 Hz with ferrofluid cooled 12 dB octave roll off for a balanced audio experience, capturing every nuance of your favorite tracks.